In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card through a SoFi or Galileo partner app. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device and navigate to the credit card application link for the partner app you've chosen. Make sure you're using the correct application page before moving forward, since this is where your information will be reviewed for the credit card request. It's also a good idea to use a stable internet connection so the application loads properly and your progress isn't interrupted. Once the page opens, look at the main dashboard area and find the Apply Now prompt. This is the option that begins the application process. Go ahead and click it to continue. After selecting it, the application form should appear and guide you to the next stage. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds and avoid refreshing unless absolutely necessary. Next, complete all of the requested fields related to your financial and personal situation. This includes your annual income, your employment status, and your housing costs. As you fill out each section, take your time and make sure the information is accurate and up to date. These details are important because they help determine your eligibility during the credit review process. If a field uses monthly or yearly amounts, pay close attention to the format requested so your answers match what the form expects. When entering your annual income, provide the amount that best reflects your current financial situation according to the application instructions. For employment status, choose the option that most accurately describes your present work arrangement. For housing costs, enter the amount you regularly pay for rent, mortgage, or other qualifying housing expenses, depending on what the form asks for. Accuracy here matters, so it's worth reviewing everything once before submitting. After all, required fields are completed, locate the Submit Application button and click it. This sends your application for an instant credit underwriting check. At this point, the system will review the information you entered and begin the decision process. Depending on the app and your connection speed, the response may appear almost immediately. Once submitted, wait for the result on screen and follow any on-page instructions if they appear. That's all it takes to complete the basic application process. If this walkthrough helped, you can use the same approach anytime you need to apply through a supported partner app.